to Z. A is for Ancona. B is for bunny hops and wiggles its nose. C is for cow gives us milk. D is for duck quacks and floats. E is for Emden goose white and fluffy. F is for ferret loves to explore. G is for goat climbs and jumps. H is for horse gallops and whinnies. I is for Icelandic sheep fluffy and warm. J is for Jersey cow small and creamy. K is for kid baby goat, full of fun. L is for lamb, a baby sheep with soft wool. M is for mule, a mule is strong and helps on the farm. N is for nanny goat, mama goat. O is for ox, big and strong. P is for pig, loves mud and snorts. Q is for quail, small and feathered. R is for rooster, crowing cock-a-doodle-doo. S is for sheep, woolly and cozy. T is for turkey, gobbles and puffs feathers. U is for umbrella, cockatoo raises its feathers. V is for veal calf, a young calf that's calm and quiet. W is for Welsh pony, small, strong, and friendly. X is for Xenops, tiny tree pecker. Y is for yak, long hair, mountain dweller. Z is for Zebu, humped cattle. Thanks for watching Eaglets Club.